Tolstoy says, "A man is like a fraction whose numerator is what he is and whose denominator is what he thinks of himself." The larger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. This is very true when we think about ourselves. St. Cecily's English Higher Primary School, Udupi, organized maths workshop for its teachers. Sister Jacinta Desa, AC, headmistress of the school, introduced the resource person to the teaching faculty. Mr. Satyamurthy Hebbar, who works for Deepa Book House, Puttur, was the resource person. He has published helpful books for teachers, students and parents to train the children to grasp mathematical terms and concepts, and created math kits to teach maths through playway method. The teachers took an active part in all the sessions. They were guided to use numbers to teach drawing of animals, birds and a thought-provoking scenery. Played games through which basic maths could be taught easily. Prepared models and mathematical shapes using old cards. Learning by doing leaves a lasting impression on the minds of the children. When most people think of the term mathematics or the word algebra, they don't get too excited. Most people tend to say, "I hate math," or the big one. When are we ever going to use it in our lives? The fact is that algebra will be used in our lives whether we know it or not. For instance, if we were to attend a football game, all it is one big math problem. In football, mathematics can be used in a variety of different ways. It can be used in the business of selling tickets. It can be used in the game itself or building of the stadium. Without math, the world would not be the same as we know it to be today. At the end of the 3-day session, teachers realized imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. The laws of mathematics having relation to the real world are unreliable, and robust mathematical laws are not relevant to the real world. Pure mathematics is, in its way, the poetry of logical ideas. Miss Gallin expressed her gratitude to Mr. Satyamurthy Hebbar on behalf of the management and staff of St. Cecily's English Higher Primary School. Hands-on activities will boost the learner's interest to subject, ability to grasp the matter and apply it to day-to-day situations of life, and realize maths as integral to one's life. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics, which is an art of human understanding. So mathematics needs to be embraced and not feared for its drives, and obeys the natural progression of our thoughts.